Commission-free trades, a dream that sounds too good to be true. While the US was given many options for years, Canada's been in the dark until now. Then came along Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple promotes a commission-free environment where you don't have to worry about those $9.99 buy and sell orders and the freedom to buy smaller individual shares of a company instead of having to spend thousands of dollars at a time to save that few percentage you might lose. While this sounds like a dream come true for Canadians, it doesn't come without its flaws. Today, I'm going to be going over my personal opinion on the pros and cons of Wealthsimple and what I've found to like and dislike about the app. First off, let's identify the elephant in the room. Yes, Wealthsimple does have commission-free trades. Yes, this is true. Their slogan is correct. It is commission-free trading, but only on Canadian stocks. That being said, if you want to trade US equities, it is going to be 1.5% of a fee to exchange your Canadian money to US, and then a 1.5% fee again to change from US back to Canadian. With the free version, you don't have an option for US account, so you're going to be paying 3% for commission charges each time. Once you start to do the numbers there, you really got to weigh the pros and cons if your current broker is giving you a better deal or more of a ripoff when you look at a 3% difference in that. That being said, Wealthsimple has more recently introduced a Plus plan, which is kind of their premium feature. For $10 a month, you pretty much get a US account and you don't have to worry about the conversion. It's a 1.5% fee to exchange your Canadian money to US, but that's it. After that, it's only the 1.5% change back to Canadian if you wish to take it out, but you get a US account. So that being said, any money in that US account that you wish to trade is commission free. You can buy one share, you can buy 100, it's all going to be $0 there, so it's a nice perk to have. Personally, I have that and I very much like it, especially if you're looking to trade, smaller amounts of things or better diversify your portfolio. I'd highly recommend it. I mean, $10 a month, there's coffee at Starbucks that costs you more. So really, I find a win-win, and there are some nice little other perks you get with it anyways. While the commission free is a very nice perk, I gotta say the dashboard and all the tech features on it are pretty bland. Now, looking at it there, it's not very intimidating, which is nice for people getting into investing, but when you think about you're dealing with your life savings, is something that's easy really what you want to be looking at? It's nice if you're just looking to drop your money and set it and forget it, but for anyone actively trading, I would strongly recommend to use a secondary app. Personally, myself, I have to use Yahoo Finance and Bloomberg to get accurate pricing and better understand, intraday pricing. If you are someone that's just buying index funds whenever you get paid, it's not as severe, but if you're looking to buy and sell at a certain prices, you're not going to be getting an accurate chart or pricing. It's normally about 15-minute delayed, and the charts look like a 4-year-old drew it. So really, you're not getting any value out of it in that side. Another flaw I found is Wealthsimple has no option right now for margin accounts. Now, this would be on the higher risk of things and not for everyone, but for those who want to experiment with loaning money to invest, you won't have that option with Wealthsimple. I still have my other brokerage account open for a margin account for this reason, but that being said, if you're using Wealthsimple, you're probably a newer investor, and I wouldn't recommend getting into the high risk, high leverage items there, as you can lose more money than what you have and be in a very bad place. While still in beta, more recently Wealthsimple has introduced options. This has been a very nice perk as it can give you the opportunity to bet against a stock since margin accounts aren't available for shorting. That being said, it's in its preliminary stages, I'd say. I haven't used it a whole lot. I've only done a few calls and puts there over the past few weeks. But that being said, I've kind of dove in and kind of found where they're making their money on this. Unlike the stocks, you do pay a fee for this. It is $2.20 per contract. So, if you bought 10 contracts, you're going to be paying $22 to buy and $22 to sell. If you exercise your contracts, it's going to be a $20 flat fee. This is, yet again, more beneficial to someone with a larger account, as, if you're exercising $100,000, that's going to be a lot smaller percentage than if you're exercising $200. That being said, I think it's a very good place for people to start with options. Now, by no means are options a place to start in your investing career, but after doing your due diligent research and understanding the risk associated with it, I'd say, an option here and there in Wealthsimple could be beneficial in the long run. It can at least give you the idea and understanding of how options work and having better understanding of financial backgrounds, whether it be the decay of the option, how you make money, or how you can sell options before expiration. All of this I find is excellent teaching, and it's a big part of what Wealthsimple promotes, of being able to teach the younger demographic and new investors, despite your age, to get into investing. And I think that is excellent, despite the risk associated with it. The option account's easy to set up, and it just takes you a few questions. But for God's sakes, please, please, please understand the consequences options may have on your account. Your account can make thousands of percents, and it can lose all of it in one foul swoop. It can explode and very violently disintegrate in minutes, depending on when your expiration calls are. This is not financial advice in any way, and you should have a proper understanding of it before buying any of these. Finally, if nothing else has caught your eye during this video, Wealthsimple is currently running promotion that can get myself and you a nice little chunk of change, depending on the payout there. Right now, if you sign up to Wealthsimple with the promo code in the video description below, both of us can get between $5,000 to $3,000 in a bonus when you sign up. Now, I haven't seen any of these $3,000 bonuses, but that being said, even if you get 25 bucks, you know what? That can start your investing career. That can buy partially a tank of gas with today's prices. You know, you can buy a burger, can buy you something. Anyways, who wouldn't say no to free money? It takes about 10 minutes to set up. It's a nice, easy process, and it helps both of us out. You make some money, I make some money. It's a win-win is what I'm saying there. Overall, I do personally enjoy using Wealthsimple, despite the flaws it may have. I use it heavily for my dividend account and playing around with some fun day trading here and there with very small portions of stocks. Would I recommend this as an advanced trader? Probably not. But if you are starting out or looking for heavy diversification and are tired of paying those $9.99 buy and sell fees, I would recommend it. It's a very easy platform to use, and if you have other software associated with it, it can be a very valuable tool in your investing career. I find a lot of young people don't want to get into investing because it's intimidating and they don't know where to start. And you know what? I got to respect Wealthsimple for giving people the opportunity to get into a very calm and chill environment when it comes to investing. In today's world, it's a rough place out there for the economy, people's savings, and everything else. So, you know, every little bit helps. And if all it takes is an app with some simple drawn lines to get people into the investing world, then you know what? They're good in my books. Thanks for watching, guys. As I said, if you're looking to check out Wealthsimple, the link is in the bio. And yeah, hope you guys have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.